going to show you how to change the parting on a synthetic wig from one side to the other. First of all, spray some leave-in conditioner on. And then from the back, we want to pull all the hair forward. Grab your steamer, warm the fibres up again. And then start changing the parting. And just like that, we've changed the part from one side to the other. You can press it down to make it a little bit more compact. And then when that cools down in about 30 seconds, that's the new parting and it won't change. Thank you.